Hi, my name is Zanele. I am in love with the Zulu culture, and this is Appreciate Zulu. There is a special kind of magic in watching an wenkosazana, a Zulu princess, perform a solo cultural dance. Every sway of her body and every soft stomp of her foot is a lesson in Isidima, which is our word for dignity. Unlike the high-energy dances of the crowd, a royal solo is often about restraint and grace, showing that she is a pillar of her people. A fascinating fact you might not know is that a princess's beadwork is often passed down through generations, meaning she is literally wearing the history of her ancestors as she moves. In our culture, the princess represents the mother of the nation, and her dance is a prayer for peace and prosperity for all Zulu people. It is a breathtaking sight to see such royal poise alive in 2026. If you were captivated by this royal performance, please give the video a like and remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Zulu culture.